Avengers Doomsday is coming. First up, we have Robert Downey Jr., this time returning as Doctor Doom. And then, none other than our one and only Steve Rogers returning as Captain America. And next up, third OG Avenger, Thor, still holding the storm. This isn't nostalgia, this is destiny being rewritten. And considering the huge cast of Avengers Doomsday, it's multiversal. We have X-Men, Fantastic Four, New Avengers, Old Legends. And right at the center of it all, we have the main one and only Robert Downey Jr. Not as Iron Man, but as Doom. This is going to be insane. Can't wait. We welcome you all to upcoming Blockbuster movie series. Let's jump into Photoshop. So, first up, we bring in the background. The background will contain a mix of nebulas from all over outer space, some generic, some green-toned. Once that is set up, we bring in Dr. Doom. Right at the top, we fix the lighting a little bit on the face and glow up his eyes, so that he feels intimidating and scary at the same time. Right after that, we have to bring in a few explosions and a few effects on the sides to bring the poster to life. These will act as a separation for the characters and the background. Then we have Captain America, right in the center. On his right, we bring in Thunderbolts, the New Avengers, and on the left, we bring in Fantastic Four. Then comes in Loki. He will be the center point of this movie, I'm pretty sure, because of the fact that there will be a multiversal jump in this movie. We will be getting the OG X-Men from the old movies. In order to create that, what I planned was create different branches coming out of the branches that are held by Loki. Next, we bring in a base that will act as the ground for where Loki is sitting. I found this amazing cliff of the Grand Canyon. Just have to fix it up a little bit. Place it right under Loki, fix their lighting and shadows. And place it right here, adjust it a little bit. Fix up Loki because he's missing some feet. So as soon as his feet come out, we select them out, place them in, fix them up a little bit. And we place them on the ground. Now we need a shadow here because the light is coming from the back. Once that's done, we had to make a little adjustment to the branches. I added more branches in order to add in and adjust more and more characters from the X-Men. Once that was done, I had to fill in these gaps with shapes that will later on be used as clipping masks for the images that I'll be using. After all was done, let's start with Professor X, Charles Xavier. Let's place him right here on the right of Loki, then bring in extra characters from the X-Men, which started off with the first main guy, Cyclops. Then comes in Nightcrawler, and other characters like Channing Tatum's Gambit, Magneto, and I had to fix up the Nightcrawler image because that was another one that I had to use. Fixing up the backgrounds a little bit and adjusting the backgrounds of each character. Once that was done, I had to add in little effects that had to show the little glow and glare on top of each timeline that is being shown here. Right after that, I had to bring in the OG Avengers, starting off with Thor, fix his body a little bit, and of course, yeah, AI helps a lot. I had to place him right at the top with Captain America on his side. Obviously, the hammer had to go because this is totally a new timeline. Then I had to bring in the missing characters, like Shuri's character, the new Black Panther, then we have Ant-Man, and Namor had to be there, of course. I had to adjust him a lot since I was trying to figure out the best way to put them. Then comes in Shang-Chi. Little adjustments to Human Torch and a few more characters. Once that was done, I had to give Captain America a shield since his shield was broken. So I got this image of the Stormbreaker and had to place it right in Thor's hand. Stormbreaker had to be completed a little bit because it was missing the handle. As soon as that was adjusted, I went to create Thor's short hair as... This is a spoiler. We saw this teaser trailer of Thor like a few days back in which he had shorter hair this time once again. So I had to fix up that because first I thought he would have been having long hair, but he has shorter hair this time. So fixing that and adjusting the Stormbreaker once again. Then comes the adjustment of the lighting and adding in a little thunderbolt as well. Right after that, we made adjustments to the poster, the color grading and everything, and bringing the camera raw filter and adjusting everything with the texture, clarity. A few more color tone adjustments. And once that was done, here is the final poster. And here you go. Honestly, I think that I'm really happy with how this turned out. The scale, the lighting, the hierarchy, everything was designed to feel heavy. Doom isn't loud here, he doesn't need to be. He's watching, and the Avengers are already too late. When you look at Infinity War, it felt chaotic. Endgame felt emotional. But Doomsday, this feels final. So I want to ask you guys, compared to Infinity War and Endgame posters, how do you think this poster holds up? Let me know in the comments. Be honest, I actually read them. Haha. So if you enjoy this kind of cinematic poster content, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with another Marvel fan. Doomsday is coming.